guys, welcome to Vibo Vlogs. Today we're going to do our third experiment in purifying water. So what we need is right here. So we need these 3 test stands and this filtery stuff to make filter, this wooden stick, and also we need syringe. These 3 bottles as well, as you can see. One is copper sulfate, one is ammonium carbonate, and one is our iron exchange resin, as you can see in here. And we also need this water bottle with glass with normal water, iron exchange resin book, manual like stuff, and the spoon. That's all we need. Okay, so let's start the experiment. It says here we need firstly put cottony stuff. I should have said what we need, and we need to compress it with a wooden stick inside this thing, this filtering stuff to make filter. And then we have to fill it with the resin, as you can see, to the tube, and then we have to do like this and shake it up. And I know how the science works. So if you shake it up and block it with your finger, it'll just go up. And you blocking it with your finger, it'll just touch it and go down. And then inside, here, to the 2.5 mark. Then we have to put another cotton cylinder and then compress it again with a wooden stick. Let's try it. Now, after doing this part, the next thing to do is to set up the test stand with 3 vials, which I've already got ready here, and just put this, filtery stuff in the second valve, as you can see here. Now we just need to dirty up some water. In the book it says contaminate, which means dirty up, pollute the water we need to do that by getting some water, which I've also got ready here, as I told what you need. I was explaining. So we need to put 1 big spoon of copper sulfate, which is this one. 1 big spoon inside, so contaminate. So I've contaminated this water, as you can see in here. Now, getting back to the experiment, what I need to do is use the syringe I need to put 4 ml, put 4 ml into the first vial, and then put 6 ml into this filter. Okay, so we need to perform a test, what they call qualitative test, for the copper ions by adding ammonium carbonate to test the valves.
I don't know.
if the solution contains copper ions, the solution will turn blue. And if my filter succeeded in cleaning the water in the second vial, the water will remain clear. Now, and it says to put, of the ammonium carbonate, 5 drops, as you can see in here. It says 5 drops into each. Let's do it. I have a question for you all and me myself to answer. It's also in the manual. It's what happens if we put ammonium carbonate in the filter? Let's see. So the yellow ion exchange resin just turned from yellow to green, and pure water is just coming out from the solution, as you saw in the last video as well. No, in the first video of the experiment. Yeah, it's just coming out pure water. That was so amazing, guys. Explaining of purified water. Cars, power plants, and factories produce exhaust mixtures containing heavy metals. These metal ions are harmful to health. They don't just pollute the air we breathe, they even dirty the waters. We need to get this polluting metals off the water, eliminate them. So we use copper. So we use copper ions to test our filter, because it is easy to identify them in a solution using a simple qualitative test. They called it qualitative test in the book. Yeah. Resin-based filters work equally with heavy metal ions too. These resins are long polymers with ions of alkali metals, such as sodium ions, attached to them. The heavy metal ions replace the sodium ions, clinging more tightly to the resin. And meanwhile, the water molecules pass freely through. As a result, sodium ions are safe to consume in small amounts, replace the more dangerous heavy metals ions in the water. So this filter is effective against heavy metals. They're not really effective on organic pollutants. Activated carbon can take care of these materials. In the first video of the first experiment we did was talking about this. Hope you like this video. If you like it, please like, subscribe, and share. Bye!